Morning, guys. Today I got this error image from my student that how to resolve. There he's getting a message called register as a developer, guys. Okay. And there it is actually his user ID, user 506, and he has not able to create a objects with a Z or Y. What is that mean? You know already this point, guys. In SAP, any object if you taken, whether it's a table, transaction code, program, anything, every object will be divided into two types. One is called standard one, second one is called custom one. Why they have these differences? First point you need to understand here. I require a one table frequently for multiple clients. Same way for a program, transaction code, everything. Whatever commonly we required, that type of objects I am creating again and again, it's not correct, guys. Why? Because you are creating object means you have to take out some time for that one. Instead of that one, to save our time, SAP we created a some set of a standard objects. What is standard means? It is created by SAP. And whatever SAP created for you, it will not match our requirement sometimes. Then we need to create our own. That is called custom, created by developer, guys. Okay. How can you differentiate this one, guys? Why? Because they have to maintain some conditions for that one. This one created by SAP and another one created by developer. If any object is starting with Z or Y only, what happened, guys? That is we call a custom objects. Okay. Remaining letter, anything it can start. It can start with underscore, slash, anything you will have. That is we call a standard objects, guys. Okay. Now, for example, you have your mobile phone and I am trying to access that one. It will ask the password. Why? Because no one can do changes. It is restricted that login person or authorized person can only access. Like the same way for a standard also, it is protected with a access key. You cannot do any type of changes, just a display only, guys. Now come to this developer key, guys. This is we call access key. Access key means to create or change standard objects, guys. You want to create or change standard objects, access key. But to create or change, we required a developer key, guys. Create or change. Why they want to again restrict it, guys? If you remember, in SAP, we'll have a so many modules, guys. Like we have SAP functional consultant, like FICO person is there, MM is there, SD is there, like that one. They are a functional consultant. They don't have idea how to create a objects, guys. For them, we need to restrict that one. You cannot create a objects with a Z or Y. Why? Because they are not a developer, guys. That's why we'll have a basis team, that is we called a admin team. This person, suppose my user ID above 01. For this user ID, they will restrict, okay, he's a developer means they will give the developer key, but he's a functional consultant, for example. Then they will restrict with a developer key. Then only he can create a objects with the Z or Y. Suppose here you can see this image. What happened, guys? They have created the user 506 is a user ID, guys, but they didn't confirm that one. This person can give the create a objects. That's why what happening, guys? When he is trying, he's asking access key only, but not that access key which you can create with a standard one. No, this is we called a developer key. This this screenshot you need to send to the basis team, and they will check the user ID, user 506. Okay, he is a developer only, and they will give 20-digit number, guys. You need to enter that one and click on continue. Then only you can create objects with a Z or Y. And every time you need to do, no need, guys. when you are creating a for the first object with this user ID, then only you need to enter. Once you confirm that one, I am a developer, guys, then from next time, you don't need to give the key. For this user ID, they have grant the access that you can create objects with the Z. Request your basis team or respective vendors, guys. They will give that key and you can enter and you can create objects, guys. Okay. Learn more idea about SAP from subscribing our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, guys. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.